Alright, hey guys. First off, I'd like to apologize because I'm a little bit sick, so sorry if my voice sounds weird or anything. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to install a CPU case fan. Right here I have my Dell Dimension 2350. It's an old piece of crap from like 2003, but right now I'm about to update my CPU fan, or case fan anyway. I'd recommend putting a CPU case fan if you're gonna, try to overclock your processor or anything of that sort. And I'd also recommend putting on a new CPU cooler with a fan on top of that. Alright, so right here I have my CPU fan that I'm going to install. It's a PWM 92 millimeters. Yours can differ from either 80 millimeters or 120 millimeters. In a rare occasion, you'll have 92 millimeters like me. Mine only has 92 millimeters. Just check in, measure how big of a case fan you'll need. And alright, so let's look here. There's the vent to put it on top of. And I don't know if you could see down there, but you should be able to see three little ports where you'll have to connect the cord into from the case fan. In my case fan, I have 4 ports right there, and mine only has 3. And if you can't see that, there's like a little rubber thing next to it that won't let me fit the 3 out of the 4 ports on this. So I'm just going to connect it with a Molex, male and female here. I don't know which one's male, which one's female, but actually I think this one's male because those ones have the things, and this is where you'll put them into. So, yeah. Alright, first off, it's quite easy. You just put the case fan on top of here, screw it in into the 4 holes you'll see. But also my computer came with a little case to put this inside of to keep it more secure and in place. So I'm just gonna put screw my CPU fan into here, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I screwed my case fan in, and I'm ready to put it in here. Alright, so let's slide it in. Alright, in a second. Alright, I slid it in. It's in there pretty secure. So we will connect this. Right here, if you are able to connect the cord from this into the case fan slot, which should be somewhere in your motherboard. If you can't find it, just look around your cooler or processor area, and it should be around there. I'm not able to connect mine, as I said before, so I'm just going to connect it with the Molex that came with this. So the Molex can be found right around here with all these wires, and I'm going to connect that with this. As you can see, I connected them, and it should work as good as regularly connecting the case fan in to the case fan slot area. So let's test this out by turning the computer on. Alright, so I connected everything in. Yeah, I put the power in. Let's test to see if this is working. And it's working pretty fine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Bye bye.